We all go through some pain. We all have rainy days. White gold under the weather. I'm in bed underneath the blankets. I'm wearing a sweater. And then I realize it'll get better. I find my notepad. I start to blast the wrath of rap. I click and I clack and I blast the wrath of rap. This is magic, abracadabra. This shit can really happen. I came up from the trash can. Now I'm rapping. Finally about to go platinum. After all the backstabbings, after all the dead ends, after 6.5 in, finally out that fence. Man, I'm not blocked in. I'm finally on the streets, on these beats, on these freaks, off the leash. Man, I'm out that cage, there's no restraining me. I'm taking flight up over them gates, hit the speed of light. Now I'm gone off in outer space. I'm a comet about to drop, hard as rock and on fire, on top of all my enemies. All my enemies keep watching me fall, keep watching me fall, keep watching me fall, man. All my enemies keep watching me fall, keep watching me fall. They keep watching me fall. And I'm coming to end the life of all of y'all. Cause my enemy's gonna feel my pain, feel my pain, feel my pain. This is microphone violence. I'm causing the life-size riots at the biggest live party. I'm leaving dying bodies, lying sloppy after biting on the slimy doctor. Shawty prescribed diet. Got that trigger finger itching, leaving blisters as I'm gripping on that pistol. And I still ain't listening to these riddles as they whistle past your temple. Hit you, I'm a subliminal criminal. And I'm living the subliminal lifestyle. Explicit rhymes, no denial. I take flight, I jump from the Eiffel. I never make it downward in that spiral of whirlwind lyrics flowing. I just keep on rising above and dropping clouds of toxic ash and smoke. And all my enemies who keep watching me fall, watching me fall, watching me fall. Why all my enemies watching me fall? All my enemies, they gonna feel my pain. My name is White Gold. All I do is flow that bang, 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 bang. I got a 12 gauge and it go bang. I got a 9 to spray, bang, 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 bang. Then I got the AK that go bang, 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 bang. All I do is flow. 25 is the age. White Gold is the name. 6 years locked away. Now I'm back up in this game. And I brought the twin straps from the notepads. Black artillery bag. Talking lyrics out the notepad. Hitting. And the bodies at risk are not gonna exist because they gone. They weren't ate by just some ordinary fish. These were longly starved piranhas and sharks mixed in this art. I'm an artist, represent life I live 110%. Always win, always sinning in the city of sin. But I'm a demon, meaning to repent. Name is White Gold, but I keep preaching venom. I keep with these goblin lyrics. Got me in the 60-minute twisted rhythm of a gremlin. And all I do is flow. I only know how to hold on. I don't know how to let go. All I do is flow. And all my enemies, they keep watching me fall, watching me fall. Man, they keep watching me fall, keep watching me fall. All my enemies gonna feel my pain. Yeah, all my enemies gonna feel my pain. All my enemies gonna feel my pain. Got that sweet revenge and they're running through my veins. O-K-L-A-H-O-M-A, O-K-L-A-H-O-M-A. Tell me, can you feel my pain? All my enemies keep watching me fall, watching me fall, watching me fall. All my enemies, they keep watching me fall, watching me fall, watching me fall. All my enemies are gonna feel my pain. Sweet revenge gunning in my veins. White gold, all I do is flow. White Gold Ministries, never looking back music. Present cell phone mixtape. If you need a phone, hit us up. 405-508-6719. 405-508-6719.